I want to mix it. You need to show the. Can you look? You need to show the oil. Are you used? Okay, we didn't use the oil. Okay. Use the mixing, and I can't show the gas now.
No, why you forgot?
You need to show me what you said. Hey guys, so actually I can't bother doing my voice. There's someone to speak. So this, what are you, Lisa? What are you, Lisa?
Corn oil.
So guys, we use vegetable oil in these onions, and are we gonna put the onions in the jar? Tell me.
No, you're in the handy.
Oh, guys, so we're making the handi slash what's it called, handi thingy, a dish. Salon. Anyway, this is what we're doing in lockdown basically. So like you guys are my family now, obviously. And right now, I think you'll be hearing my sister's voice quite a lot in my video. Because she be downstairs only. We're gonna mix it. Okay, so you kind of don't think it's kind of dark. Yeah. Or burnt. Oh my god. And I've done this in school. And my sister's called Lorraine, by the way. Her birthday is one day after mine. Hey. Oh guys, oh my god. Okay, so her name's Lorraine. And you might be hearing her quite a lot now because it's called Jess. She was with me when I was making the no yeast. She was with me when I was making the no yeast donut, so yeah. Also comment below if you like my the cookies I made. Or what? Also comment down below what other stuff you want me to make because I can make it. You can just like write a recipe or something. Or the rice like tiramisu or something. Yeah, like tiramisu or something. And you want me to make, I can make it. So I'm pretty sure for this. My cake in school, so you know. So that's still looking. By the way, I also pranked Lorraine's friend. Lorraine's friend. Someone gonna go Asian name.
You can call me Lorraine, you can be Lorraine.
Yeah, because I didn't call you after I too. But yeah, Lorraine, I call her. And I pranked a friend. You know, come because come with us. And like, no, because it's very dirty. And then I was like to a friend, what's up? Ah! So I was like to, so you just told everywhere. I was like to a friend that, listen, I don't want to be a friend because of the way you treat me and stuff. And then she replied and she's like, why, like, what did I do? And I'm like, I just kept saying same type of stuff. That nothing, like, I just want to be a friend. And then she goes, anything, have I done anything in particular? And then I go, just forget it. And then she goes, okay. So what's this you just put in? Tomato? And then in the onion you put tomato sauce. What salad are you making?
Ande pyaaz.
Pyaaz. Okay, so we just put a little bit of oil in because obviously. And then as you can see, if you actually draw it, you can just copy this because I can't bother writing instructions method down below. So we're on this bit where you, as they start to go brown, cut the tomatoes and pour in. Okay, we pour very little oil, stir for a little while, so she's gonna keep stirring for a little while. And then you add in about 9 eggs, but that's for like 7. But we're gonna put in 5. We're gonna put in 5. How much people are we doing that? Okay, so if you guys want to see, so I just burn the hand. And I'll mix it. So after every egg, you have to mix it. Keep stirring up each egg so that it doesn't stick too much at the bottom. Mixy. Okay, so 4 eggs have been put in, and make sure to get from the sides as well because it does start sticking quite quickly. And as you can see, the eggs are baking, and as you can see, that is kind of burned there. But yeah, and I also burned my fingers, so you better like watch that. Okay, so back to instructions because obviously you guys might need it. Just take a print screen or whatever of this if you guys, and they call Ande pyaaz, which basically mean egg onions, and takes less than an hour. And then you can put one more egg. The last we're gonna use 5 eggs. For how much people? 7.
2.
So for 2 people, yeah, we're 2 people, yeah. 2.5 people, we're going to use 5 eggs.
2 adults.
2 adults, basically. This is for 2 adults. This is separate dish. Like those people are going to be having shovel, rice, basically. I'd say shovel just in case you think my Urdu is dumb. Anyway, and then it says keep stirring after each egg so that it doesn't stick too much at the bottom. Then you add in 2.5 teaspoon of red mirchi, which basically is red spices, 2 teaspoon of salt, and chop 2/3 green spices into blocks, and also add them in with a half a teaspoon, I think that says, of lemon juice. So my hands are so like oily. So yeah, you do that. We're gonna pour in more oil because yeah, we are gonna. So you guys comment down below what other recipes you want me to make or you want Larry to make, because yeah, I do make more food than anyway. I mean, she just makes like the handy stuff and the dishes, and I don't really like to make the dishes. So now we're gonna add 2.5 teaspoon of whatever she's adding, 2 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna keep mixing while she does it. Like it's not really, and then 2.5 teaspoon of red spices, and 2. Oh guys, and then yep. What are we putting? Have we put the thingy? So now guys, we're gonna put the lemon juice, which you put half a teaspoon if that's what it is. Just gonna keep mixing this.
So we are going by approximate.
Anyway, it's not things that house. Okay, that clearly didn't look like. Then it's zoom out, guys. Then it says stir whilst adding minimum amount of oil. So I think I should start adding oil there. Okay, so by the way, it's quite good for like young people like me to like actually start cooking and stuff. So now she's gonna taste it, and now I'm not gonna show you her face. Why would I? So you can just tell me how it is, and I'll just keep mixing. So if you can hear back noise, that's just my parents speaking, and don't try to eavesdrop on them. Okay, so then we added a minimum amount of oil. Then we're gonna leave after about 15 minutes of stirring. We're gonna put it on low heat for about 10 minutes, and then it'll be done. So yeah, we're just gonna keep stirring. Nice. They're capable people to eat.
Yeah, of course.
So it doesn't put more oil in and stir. And if you guys like did not read the instructions properly or whatever, you can comment that down below, and then I will like make sure I put it somewhere. Obviously for some videos comments are getting turned off. For mine though, is not only for some videos are off, but like maybe because no one commented on there. But for some, like you guys are commenting, it's great work, and I know it is. Like you guys saying that keep up the work and stuff, and thank you very much for that actually. So like yeah, but like yeah. And if you guys want Lorraine to have a YouTube channel, she's not gonna. So we really don't care. Just don't tell us.
Subscribe on this one and you'll see.
You can subscribe on this one. If you do want more recipes from Lorraine, like more like Asian food and Asian dishes, then you can just comment that down below, and I can make her get back to work.
Food as well.
We know that. I can just get her back to work, and you know, whenever basically we're gonna start, she's cooking, we're just gonna get the camera and start recording.
Look how long the video is. I think we should end it now.
Let's find out another video for like 7 minutes.
I think we should end it.
Okay, so now I've tried the low heat. How much minutes are we going to do for 10 minutes? Yeah, so 10 minutes. And if you guys think like mine and Lorraine's Jory judged the did you just hear me?
Yeah.
If you guys do think that whatever that means, that you know we're good like as a whatever like a partnership whatever, then you know you can comment that down below, give you a like, and we will obviously come back with more videos. I think one day I upload like God knows how many videos. I've still got other videos to upload. I think I didn't put my cookies on or whatever. Some videos I haven't uploaded. I am going to, inshallah, very soon. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, give your big thumbs up, and comment down below the videos you want me to do. Stay safe, stay home. And also if you guys do want lockdown recipes, it's like you can say then. Is this like a lockdown recipe? Yeah, no, like we can make it normally. It's like a 2-second recipe. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. And this was our chawal. There is another video for this chawal rice, which obviously I'm gonna upload. So yeah, there's 2 different dishes, whatever. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah, it's like a lockdown recipe. Put your notification bell on so you get updated every single time I post. Okay, you just keep breaking, everything is fine. Anyway guys, see you later, bye. I love this.